Hello guys, today we will learning how to make a pencil case from the Lego education with Lego education number 9689. And then at the first project we will make the pencil case like this, and then this is some clue to make the pencil case. So you can look at the picture, and then from the picture we can choose what piece of Lego we can prepare. And then at this time I already preparing the Lego. This is what we need to make a pencil case. I suggest that this video just for teacher that will teach their children. So let the children choose and try to get solutions for these projects. Okay, we will start to make the pencil case. Okay, let's start to create. Almost done, okay, and then next step. So we can check at the picture. Okay, this pencil case is similar to the picture. You can see that there is 5 holes, and then this is right. Okay, and then 3 holes. This is right, and then yeah. Okay, so your students not to have to same with this picture, but maybe you can give them clue like this: white, red, white, red, white, red, and white. And then maybe this is enough for this level 1 for the first project. And then someday we will make the second projects like this, when we try to roll. Then this is okay. See you next time.